All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, this kit, it can be either worth its weight in gold or sit in your toolbox. Now, what am I talking about? This particular kit is from CTA. It is a 15-piece shock and strut service kit. Whatever. A lot of times you run into issues, especially on shocks, in a lot of different vehicles where you have to hold the little flat part. A lot of times doing, especially rear shocks, a lot of times you'll have issues holding the rear strut nut or thing that comes out of it, and you're having to, do it manually. A lot of times doing struts, you just hit it with the impact, you're done, but a lot of times the shaft will spin. This kit comes in really handy when it comes to doing that. It's got the little flat thing to put on top of a shock or strut, and then you can work it off by hand with a ratcheting wrench. But it has pass-through sockets to undo those nuts. Now, this kit is primarily designed for European. I'll try to find a more Asian American centric one, but these are like 16 to 24. Great tool. Like I said, this is a tool that's going to come in handy not often, but when it does come in handy, it's going to save your butt. Like especially reassembling struts where the shaft just wants to spin and you don't want to fry the seals. Especially this comes in really handy because you can just hold that shaft and tighten it up, boom. It also includes various hex that also pass through as well. So you can do, struts with the hex coming out the top as well. Get you a kit like this. If you do struts often, this kit will come in very handy. Of course, I will have a link in the description, but if you're doing struts, these kind of kits will really save your butt, but only so often. But still, they're not that expensive and will save your butt. So, hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.